In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a battery tester, a car battery tester, or just an all-around 12-volt battery tester. And this is from the company ANCEL, maybe is how you would say that. And just looking over it here, you can see it's simple to use. It tests batteries on and off vehicles. Accurate results in milliseconds. How about that? Not seconds, but milliseconds. Battery life analyst. Basically, this will go over a battery and give you a good idea of the quality and how the battery's still performing. So this little cable right here, I think, is for hooking up to a printer. You'll hook this to a printer if you want to print out your results. But this is all it is. This is it. Is that not cool? This little guy's actually pretty impressive for what it is for testing batteries. You can find out right away whether it's your alternator, whether it's your battery or anything like that, because it tells you charge volts. I'll tell you what, let's just go ahead, take it outside, hook it up to my van, and let's see how this thing works. And I'll go over like some quick tests and show you what it is. So let's do that now. Okay, so now I'm out here at my van here. Let me show you this. In theory, my van battery should be in good shape. So all you're going to do, now it is not turned on yet, so this is going to be no load on it. And then as soon as that comes up, let's get it a little closer. So as soon as I plug it in, this is what comes up, a quick test. You got battery in vehicle, so we'll go battery in vehicle, enter. Battery test, check surface, charge, turn lights on, turn headlights on, about 10 seconds, turn lights off. So let's go ahead, let's turn the headlights on. Turn headlights on about 10 seconds, turn them off, so they will wait a little bit, wait a little bit. It's been about 10 seconds. It's going through its testing mode. We're about to find out if I need a new battery or not. Wow, health is 100%, the charge is 22%, 12.14 volts. Integral, it says good. Now it does need to be recharged. So it's been sitting all night, it's not been charged. Let's exit out. Let's just do a quick test. 100%, 26% charge, recharge. So now let's go ahead and start the vehicle. We're not going to do out of vehicle. So the vehicle started now. I can go down to waveform, enter into that. Now look at how that's performing. You can see the charge is 14.25 charge. That lets me know that my alternator is working great. You can review the data there. Let's go back up. So we got battery in vehicle, enter. Let's go to charging test. I think what it's doing, it's going through its cycles right now. There it is, it's loading. Now the engine is running, increase RPMs to 2,000 to 3,000, and then press enter. Testing. Loaded 14.2. My alternator is normal. You can see that voltage is normal. This is something I recommend for anyone that just wants to have a good way of checking their battery to make sure that everything's up to par before the winter time, and if it doesn't start, they can find out if their alternator's going bad or their battery. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the ANCEL battery tester. See you on the next video.